Hello and welcome to today's video. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, and with so many platforms out there, it can be difficult to know which ones to use for your business or personal brand. That's why we're here to help. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best platforms for social media posting. Number 1, Facebook. Facebook is the largest social network in the world and has over 2.7 billion monthly active users. It's a great platform for reaching a wide audience and can be used to post a variety of content, including text updates, photos, videos, and live streams. Facebook also has a strong advertising platform, making it easy for businesses to reach their target audience through targeted ads. Number 2, Instagram. Instagram is a visual platform that is all about beautiful, eye-catching visuals. With over 1 billion monthly active users, Instagram is a great platform for businesses to showcase their products and services and to build a strong, engaged following. It's also a great platform for influencer marketing, with many businesses partnering with influencers to reach a wider audience. Number 3, Twitter. Twitter is a fast-paced platform that is all about real-time conversations. With over 330 million monthly active users, Twitter is a great platform for businesses to engage with their customers, share news and updates, and join in on trending conversations. Twitter is also a great platform for live events, with businesses using it to live tweet events and conferences. Number 4, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the largest professional networking site in the world, with over 700 million users. It's a great platform for businesses to connect with other professionals, share industry news and updates, and build their professional brand. LinkedIn is also a great platform for B2B marketing, with businesses using it to reach other businesses and decision makers. Number 5, TikTok. TikTok is a relatively new platform, but it's quickly become one of the most popular social media platforms in the world. With over 1 billion monthly active users, TikTok is a great platform for businesses to reach a younger, more engaged audience. TikTok is all about short-form, entertaining videos, making it a great platform for businesses to showcase their products and services in a fun, creative way. And there you have it, the top 5 best platforms for social media posting. Remember, the key to success on social media is to choose the right platforms for your business and to engage with your audience regularly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.